At the edge of everything we know, beyond the last flicker of light from the farthest galaxies, there lies a question that has haunted humanity since the dawn of thought. What exists beyond the observable universe? Imagine standing at the shoreline of an infinite cosmic ocean, staring out into waters so dark and endless that even light itself cannot carry back their secrets, and realize that what we see with our most powerful telescopes, those breathtaking galaxies, clusters, and cosmic webs stretched across billions of light years, is not the whole universe, but only a fragment, a bubble, within a far greater reality. We live inside what astronomers call the observable universe, limited not by the expanse of creation itself, but by the finite speed of light and the age of our cosmos, 13.8 billion years. The farthest we can see is light that has traveled to us since the birth of time. And yet, due to the relentless expansion of space, those objects are now more than 46 billion light years away. So already, the universe we can measure dwarfs our imagination. But it also teases us with a boundary, a cosmic horizon, a wall of mystery, whispering that beyond it there may be more galaxies, more stars, more universes, or perhaps even nothing at all. Think about that. Beyond the edge of sight could be realms that make our existence look like a grain of sand in an endless desert. Realms we may never reach, yet whose gravitational pull may already be shaping our fate. Scientists have long wrestled with this haunting limit, debating whether the universe is finite or infinite, curved like a sphere or stretched flat like a sheet. And every discovery, every measurement of cosmic background radiation, every deep field image captured by Hubble or James Webb seems to confirm the same chilling truth. The universe is larger, stranger, and more mysterious than we can ever comprehend. But what lies beyond still escapes us, hidden like a secret written in a language of eternity. Perhaps beyond the observable horizon, the universe simply continues, stretching into infinity, filled with uncountable galaxies, stars, and black holes repeating the same patterns we see here. A vast and endless cosmos that will never stop. But infinity itself is terrifying, because if the universe is infinite, then somewhere out there, beyond unimaginable distances, there could be another version of you, sitting right now, asking the same question, or entire civilizations playing out histories eerily similar yet slightly different from our own. And yet infinity might also mean chaos, universes colliding, realities overlapping, time itself unraveling, so that the edges of space are not boundaries at all, but thresholds into something bigger. Others suggest that our universe is like a bubble floating in a cosmic sea of other bubbles, each with its own laws of physics, its own versions of reality. And if so, then the edge of our universe is not an end, but a membrane, a thin veil between us and countless other universes, a multiverse where every possibility exists. And if this is true, then everything we've ever known, our stars, our galaxies, our very lives, might be just one page in an infinite library of realities. But if the multiverse exists, could we ever touch it? Could we ever escape our bubble? Or are we forever trapped in this cosmic island, staring across an ocean we cannot cross? Others push further, asking if beyond the edge lies the end of space itself, if the cosmos is finite, a vast but limited expanse that one day will stop, like a great wall beyond which there is nothing. Not darkness, not vacuum, but pure absence. The absence of dimension, the absence of existence, the kind of nothing our minds cannot grasp, because we are creatures born within space, breathing it, living it, measuring it, yet unable to imagine its absence. If that's true, then the edge of the universe is the edge of reality itself, a place where everything ceases, and the greatest question then becomes, why does something exist at all instead of nothing? And yet perhaps the most chilling possibility of all is that the edge is not fixed, that as the universe expands, the horizon recedes faster than light, forever pulling away, forever beyond our reach, so that the ultimate truth of what lies beyond will never be known, hidden by the very fabric of space-time. Imagine the frustration, The agony of knowing that answers exist but are forever denied, just out of reach, like a book you cannot open, like a voice you cannot hear. But in that mystery lies beauty, for the universe is not simply an object to be measured. It is a story to be lived, and our role within it is not just to seek answers, but to marvel at the questions themselves. We are the universe looking back on itself, fragments of stardust daring to ask what lies beyond. And in that act of wonder, in that reaching beyond the horizon of thought, we touch something greater than ourselves, something eternal. So as you look up at the night sky, remember, those stars are not the end. They are the beginning of a journey into a vast unknown, a journey we may never finish but must always continue. For the edge of the universe is not a wall, it is a mirror, reflecting our deepest longing to know, to understand, to transcend. And perhaps, just perhaps, what lies beyond is not only galaxies and universes, but the answer to who we truly are.